Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you Snapchat temporarily disables port code SS03. If you're using Snapchat and your Snapchat is temporarily disabled, so let's see how can you easily fix that. First of all, you have to open up your app store, and here you have to look for Snapchat and you have to make sure that there is no any update available of your Snapchat. If you have any updates, you have to try to download and install that, and then you have to open up your settings, then go for general, and here you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN, or if you're connected, try to disconnect with VPN. Once you have that, you have to open up your settings app again and open general, go for iPhone storage and look for Snapchat, and here you have to try to offload app, then tap on offload app again. It might be there is any bug or glitch in your Snapchat application, so it will be fixed after reinstalling the app. So you must have to tap reinstall, and it will start to reinstall your app. And once you have reinstalled, you can easily use your Snapchat without any issue. Or if you have still having the same problem, so you must have to open up your browser and you have to search for support Snapchat. And here you have to open the first website, and here you just have to look for my account is compromised, and here you just have to describe your problem. You have to enter your username, email address or phone number, and here you have to describe which issue you are having, then tap on the submit option, and after that you will get the result on your Gmail or your WhatsApp in a few hours. So in this way you can easily fix your Snapchat temporarily disabled. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.